today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server in MetaTrader 5. This is a really useful skill if you're switching brokers, moving from a demo to a live account, or simply need to connect to a different trading server for better stability or execution. I'll walk you through the full process in a simple step-by-step way, and you can follow along on your own MetaTrader 5 platform. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and you're logged into the platform on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top left corner of the window for the main menu bar. Here, you want to click on File. This is where you'll find most of the basic account and connection options in MetaTrader 5. After you click File, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Open an Account. This might sound like you're creating a brand new account, but in MetaTrader 5, this is also where you manage and change the server you connect to. So even if you already have an account, this is the right place to go. Once you choose Open an Account, a new window will pop up. This is where you'll see a list of available trading servers, or you might see a search box where you can type the name of your broker or server. If you're changing to a server provided by your broker, they will usually give you the exact server name. Type that into the search field if needed, then wait a moment for MetaTrader 5 to find it and display it in the list. When you see the correct server, click on it to highlight it, then move forward through the on-screen prompts. MetaTrader 5 will guide you here. Depending on your situation, you might choose to log into an existing trading account or to create a new demo or live account connected to that server. If you're logging into an existing account, you'll usually be asked for your login and password. Make sure you enter them carefully. Continue following the prompts until MetaTrader 5 confirms that you're connected. You'll typically see the connection status update in the bottom right corner of the platform, and your quotes and charts should begin updating from the new server. And that's it. By clicking File, selecting Open an Account, and then following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly change the server in MetaTrader 5 whenever you need to.